Hello, it's Grayson. This smells weird. What happened is this clock, my WRX, it never was working. And so I decided to try and take it out and try and fix it. Upon trying to take it out, I kind of destroyed the whole thing. As you can see, it's totally broken. But to buy a new one is like $60, so I just thought I'd try and fix it. This blew my mind because I thought maybe there was a battery that died or something like that, but I found out that it's actually this right here. You can see that it looks kind of broken, right? Kind of cracked. It came off somehow. But if you plug it in and then you just push this down so that it makes a good connection, it will turn on again. All that you need to do is just solder it on and just, create that good connection again. And then it should work just fine. I'm always scared of pushing too hard and then slipping and then stabbing myself with a fiery prong of doom. It looks good to me. Now the only thing to do is test it.
You can take a seat.
So I glued it. Doesn't look too bad. Put the clock back in. Now plug it back in. Okay, so I actually got it working. It's like something with the wiring in the back, but it works. I just had to get it in the right position. Hopefully it doesn't shift over time, but there it is. Good job. Bye.